this whole table. Now we just have to put the chi-square formula and we have to take our things. Like we have to find our stuff. So in chi-square, we first take our hypothesis. Like H naught, HA, null hypothesis, alternate hypothesis. So null hypothesis is just agreeing with the question and alternate is opposing the question. So in question we had to support that educated fathers have intelligent boys. So let's write that in null hypothesis. Educated fathers have intelligent boys. Intelligent. Oh, sorry. Intelligent boys. You get that right. Yeah. So and then alternate hypothesis we have to oppose it. Like we have to say no. Let's say educated fathers don't have intelligent boys. Okay, just get it for the understanding, right? So after that, we have to find expected. First, we have to find row total, column total, and grand total. So let me show you row total, row total. So row total is we have to add this. So 90 plus 35 must be 125. 125. Then 40 plus 35 should be 75. This makes it 75, 2500. Yeah, 200. So this is our grand total exactly, which was given in the question already. So in column total, 35 plus 40 is supposed to be 75. 35, 90 is supposed to be. So yeah, diagonal elements are same. That's why addition of column total and row total is same as the grand total. Hey, two folks, that's really fun. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. I'm really grateful. I really appreciate it. So 90 plus 35 is 125. Here we are. So, yo, 26 folks. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. I'm really sorry if you were in my last stream, but, and thanks for the like. And if you're in my last stream, I had to pause it for some reason. Sorry for that, but here we are. So, yeah. Yeah, so where we are. So, this is column total. Let me write it here column total, and this is going to be useful for us later. These two are row total, these two are column total. Let me show you how this came. Like you add these two, then this comes. You add these two, then this comes column 1, column 2. Now these two you add, these two, then this comes first row. These two you add the second row, then you get this, and then you add these, they become same grand total. Okay, so after that, you have to, find expected frequency. Expected frequency is equal to, we have formula like row total into column total. I'm writing in short, but you just try to understand. Row total into column total by grand total. Yo, two folks, you are till now. That's really respectable, man. Yo, 7 people. Yeah, man, that's really fun. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. Really appreciate that. Respect, man. Yeah. E is equal to expected frequency equal to row total into column total by grand total. So we have row total, which is row total, like this stuff, like 125 and 75. So we have to first, actually, this is summation. Okay, so grand total obviously we have 200. Wait a minute. If you are, writing chat or not, I'm not able to see. So if you're writing chat, then maybe some glitch is there because I'm not able to see the chats. Sorry for real. So, yo, 22 folks, man, welcome to the stream. So, expected frequency we have to find of, uh, you know, like we have to, uh, of each cell separately, we have to find expected frequency. So, for, like, let's first find unintelligent son, educated father. I would call that UE. Okay. Sebas Jr. writes, Sebabas Jr. writes, I trade cheated stuff? Wait a second. Am I reading this right? Uh, Cheated stuff? What do you mean by that? User, okay, Churito con salsa 9. Okay. With cheated stuff, by the way. Yo, what's up? Thanks for participating in the chat. Really appreciate that. So, we were talking about unintelligent kids with educated fathers. So, we are finding expected frequency of that. So we have to find its row total, which is 125, and column total, which is 75. Okay, of this cell. So we have to see in corresponding way. Okay, then unintelligent son, educated father. So that is row total is 125, and column total is 75. We have to multiply that. Then grand total is obviously 200. It's gonna be same, like it is only one and only, bro. So yeah, 125 into 75. Let me do that. 75. So 9375 answer. Okay, 9375. So this is gonna be a separate table, by the way. Oh, 2 likes, man. That's really great, man. Thanks. Whoever did like the stream, that really motivates me. Oh, 3 people, man. Let the people keep coming, man. That's really cool. That's really fun, man. Yeah. So first one is 9375 by 200. So second one we have to we can go with whichever one you want, but let's just go with unintelligent son and educated father. So I would call that UU. Okay. So about that, in UU we have, let me show you. This is unintelligent son, uneducated father. So this is the cell. Now we have to see its column. This is column. This is 125. See this column total of the column is vertical. So vertically, its total is 125. Row is horizontal. So this is 125. So this is 125 square. We have to take 125 square. 125 into 125. I'm really sorry, but my ink's running out, I guess. So yeah. Oh, one person. Whoever this one person is, thanks man for staying so long. 5 hours or 25, 2, 5, 10, 2, 12, 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 2, 5, 10. I guess it should be 1, 625, but I don't know. Let me just cross verify it. 2, 5, 10, 1, 2 to the 4, 1, 5, 2 on the 2 on the 2. Oh, okay, then 125, 5 to 6, 5, 5, 10, 16, 16, then 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. Okay, let's go. 1, let me change pens like markers, or else it won't be visible anything. 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. Let's go. 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. I hope it's visible now. 1, 5, 6, 2, 5 by 200. Okay, we have to make it separate table, by the way. So yeah, now okay, now we have to go for, now only intelligent area is left. For intelligent one I would take I. Let's go with intelligent son, educated father. Then that is this one, this element. Okay, I'm talking about this element, intelligent son, educated father. So it is column 1, like vertically column 1. So let's vertically go, column total is 75. Now horizontally go, this is row 2, because this is first row, second row. So horizontally is row, so row we have to go like this, horizontally, totally 75. So 75 into 75, 75 to the, sorry, 75 square. Let's first write it what it is. IE, intelligent sons, educated father. Okay, so 75 square we have to take, divided by 200. Okay, 75 into 75, 35 to 35 to 7, 35, 3, census of 49, 3, 49, 351, no, 5, 7, 5, 12, 1, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 2, 5, okay, 5, 5, 2, 5, oh, all people left, but I am just grateful that you all came, thanks. You can watch when this gets uploaded, I guess, maybe. So now we are over with this, intelligent son, educated father. Now we are going for a second, last one, intelligent son, uneducated father. So we are talking about, see, intelligent son, uneducated father. So this element we are talking about. Now let's go column. So this is first column, second column. Vertically vertical things are called columns. Vertically, let's say total, which is 125. Horizontal is sorry, row is horizontal. Row wise, it is second row. So we are going horizontally. So row total is 75. So row total is 75. Column total is 125. 75 into 125. So I guess we did it earlier. So we can just use that answer, I guess. To 200. Some two answers are gonna be same, I guess. Because come on, multiplication is commutative, man. The position changing doesn't affect much, because this is not a like difference. This is not subtraction or division that is not commutative, and answers will change by changing orders. Nah, this is multiplication. It doesn't work like that. It's still gonna stay the same. So yeah, we found this 75 into 125 here. Let's copy that same answer. 9375. By the way, this I'm finding on these fractions. These are gonna be way too complicated to operate with. So if you have Cal C, so try to solve it with Cal C so that you don't face trouble later on, because I'm gonna face trouble definitely. So let's make similar table like this so that we don't get into trouble. Let me write it like that, something of expected frequency. So unintelligent father, educated son. Wait a second. I guess focus is not there, so maybe it might be blurry. Yo, 6 people came in. Yo, man. Really appreciate that. It's really fun to see you all. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. So yeah, 125 into 75. Okay, so this area is 93. Wait a second. Uh, 9375. Ink is not there, I guess. 200. Yo, 10 people. Yeah, let's go, man. This is really crazy. Okay, now you unintelligent son and uneducated father. So this cell. Now we are going with 15625. 15625 by 200. After that, oh, 15 folks. Let's go. This is some next level thing, man. You are just making my day, man, for real. Okay, so now intelligent son, educated father. So we are talking about foreign people. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. I'm really glad to see you all, for real. Intelligent son, educated father. So intelligent son, educated father. So this as cell we are talking about. Let's find corresponding place. So it is here. Uh, we don't need to make proper table. Like, we are not gonna use it as a table, but yeah, we are gonna use it. So maybe just to look neat, we have to do it. 525 by 200. Okay, half of the people went away. Did Thanos did a snap or what? Snap of Infinity Stones? Uh, one more. Reduced. 6 people. 14 to 7, then 6. Thanos is doing something crazy, I guess. Okay. Intelligent son, uneducated father. Intelligent son, uneducated father. So we are talking about this element. So this element corresponding place here. Let's write it. 9375 by 200. 93. Oh, wait a second. 9375 by 200. So we are here. Okay. 3 people. Let's keep it coming, man. Okay. So we are here. Okay, 4 people. Yeah, man. That's really crazy. Welcome you all to the stream, man. So yeah, we are at this. Now we have expected frequency, observed frequency. Now let's go move on to chi-square calculation. So wait a second. Chi-square is equal to observed frequency minus expected frequency whole square by expected frequency is equal to. Oh, and now we have to individually find each of the 4 cells chi-square. Okay, so this is actually summation. Okay, you have to understand that this is summation, not like you don't have to just find one and just throw it away. Nah, it doesn't work like that. So our observed frequency is this one, 35. So let's go. 35 minus this one, 937 blah blah, whatever this is. 93, wait a second, it's not working, I guess. 9375 by 200. Okay, whole square by expected frequency, which is 9375 by 200. Okay, now let's add one more. Let's move to this cell. So this is observed frequency, this is expected frequency. So observed minus expected whole square divided by expected frequency. Okay, so 90 minus 15,625, whatever this is, 200. Yo, one people watching. Let's go. Let's go here. 16525, 200. Yeah. So now I go for other cells. Plus, also we have to take our degree of freedom too. So yeah, let's go for that. We will go for that later. So this is next element 40 and 5525 by 200. 40, let's go, wait a second, 40 minus fa 2 fa by 200 square by fa 2 fa by 200 plus, here we go, is 35. Okay, observed frequency, and this is expected frequency. Okay, 9375 by 200. So 35 minus 9375 by 200 whole square by 9375 by 200. And this is how we get chi-square, calculated chi-square. Okay, now we mostly have level of significance, which is 0.5%. And now then we find degree of freedom, DOF, which is R minus 1, which is number of rows minus 1 into column minus 1, C minus 1. Okay, so you have to go number of rows minus 1 into number of columns minus 1. So in number of rows, we have like 1 2 rows, and here 2 columns. So I guess we have okay, so we have 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 into 1 1. Let me just show you here calculation. So we have 2 rows minus 1. Let me show you. 1 2 horizontal rows, 2 columns, 1 2 2 vertical columns, 2 minus 1, okay, into 2 minus 1, number of rows minus 1, number of column minus 1, multiply them. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 1, this is also 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so you have to take your chi-square table and across like level of significance and degree of freedom. You have to see like what number you get. That will be chi table. Okay, so chi-square table actually, sorry. So that will be chi-square table, and what we find here by like adding all these stuff, that is actually chi-square, like what is called calculated. Okay, if chi-square table is greater and chi-square calculated is smaller, then null hypothesis like H naught gets accepted. Okay, so you can see that, right? Yeah, so Is it visible now? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, whatever we calculated, if it's smaller than the chi-square you found in table by, like that table has alpha and DOF in corresponding area you whatever you find, like that number, if that's bigger, then we accept null hypothesis. Like whatever the question is given, we agree with that. Like here it was saying educators fathers have intelligent sons, so we would agree with that. Else we would reject the null hypothesis and accept alternate hypothesis, and we would go opposite the question, like educated fathers don't necessarily have intelligent boys. So this is homework, like school does. I also gave you homework. This further stuff is homework. Okay. So this stream already got long. Sorry, and also I took pause in the previous stream because I had some things to do. Like some things came up. Sorry for that. And thanks for coming up, liking the video, liking the stream, chatting in the live chat. Like making videos. So comments, saying it, comments became a habit. So yeah, thanks for coming. Thanks for joining, and making my day better. Thanks for coming. Like, share, subscribe, share to your friends. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. See ya next time. Bye.